Meet the star-strutting orange cat, stealing the spotlight on Hollywood's hottest red carpet tonight. After the premiere, our suave orange cat chills under sunrise, sipping coconut water like a boss. Suddenly, Orange Cat revs a neon bike, racing through rain-slick streets, chasing a mysterious glowing laser. Flexing muscles, Orange Cat lifts mini dumbbells, proving even felines can bench press ambition. Chef Orange Cat flambés a golden salmon, turning the kitchen into a fiery masterpiece of flavor. Finally, Orange Cat crowns himself king of the cosmos, fireworks exploding as fans roar.